It's a cold day out here in Melbourne, and today we're visiting barcodes.com.au to find out more about the different types of technology that are involved in label printing. Well, joining me today is George Doukas, Managing Director of barcodes.com.au, and we're talking all things label printing. Now, George, what are the different types of technology that are involved in label printing?
Good question, Andrew. Common question we get asked all the time. So there's direct thermal and thermal transfer.
Okay, and what are the differences between the two?
Direct thermal is for short life labelling, like for transport labelling and shipping, and also for food type labelling.
Okay, and thermal?
Thermal transfer is for longer life labels, for asset identification, or for products that may sit on the shelf, spare parts and the like that may sit for 2 or 3 years or more.
Okay, so thermal's great for long life, and then direct thermal is for shorter life.
Yeah. They're both thermal,
yeah,
and that's a common misconception. One is thermal direct thermal, and one is thermal transfer.
Yeah, and so when we're talking about the consumables for these types of printers, how do they differ?
So direct thermal labels are specially treated with a substance that reacts to heat, and therefore it's thermal. Thermal transfer uses a ribbon which actually transfers the image onto the label, and that's the longer life type labels.
Okay, and so you need to replace those ribbons?
Correct. So consumables for thermal transfer are labels and ribbons, with direct thermal is just labels only.
Yeah, okay, and when it comes to the Zebra range of label printers, we know that there are different models for mobile up to industrial. Do they all, across the range, do they all offer the different types of technology?
Generally yes, because sometimes you may need to do mobile printing in a warehouse or out in the field, and you want long life labels, so that Zebra has a printer for that, or a mobile printer that has shorter life labels.
Now, visibly, a lot of the printers look very similar, so how can we tell the difference between the different types of technology?
To the untrained eye, Andrew, they do look very similar on the outside, however they are very different on the inside. So thermal transfer uses the ribbon, and direct thermal doesn't use any ribbon, just purely the labels and the print head.
Excellent. Now, tell me a bit about your business, barcodes.com.au.
We've been in business for 16 years, and essentially we provide solutions for a customer. So a printer is only one part of the solution. Generally, clients want to have the information that goes to the printer, and then obviously the types of labels. So we can basically package an entire solution for a customer.
Excellent. There you have it. Visit barcodes.com.au to find out more. Thanks, George, for joining us today, and thanks for your help.
Thank you, Andrew.